My name is Deepak Pankalpati. Now I'm going to describe about ESD. ESD means electrostatic discharge, and uh, when two dissimilar, when two unparalleled electric charges are met at some point of contact, that can lead to electric static discharge. And it will flow until the devices are parallel. And to prevent this one, there are so many risks on ESD that it can damage your devices, like it can crash whole CPU or processor like that. And it can cause electric shock like that for you. It can be a hazard. We can prevent this by using some techniques and some devices like electrostatic bag and anti-static bag, sorry, and anti-static mat with strap and every and there are some certain techniques that can help us to prevent this EST. You should be in a very good surface, like you should stand and you should work like that, and your device should be on a table and you should be on a flat surface. You should look after yourself if there is any metal devices or anything that can cause electric shock like that when you are working with a PC. And you should be careful whether it is connected to some other USB or sockets like that. Just remove everything when you are going to work on that, when you are going to work on CPU or any computer like that. And you should be careful that don't wear some jewelry or anything that cause these things. And be aware of the weather also. Don't walk in a cloudy and wet climate like that. And be sure that total power was drained, like when you are removing everything, like sockets and ports like that. Just press the start button for 3 seconds like that. That will drain your power completely. Then you can work on that device. mm, be sure that you are aware of everything when you are working on a electric device like that. There are so many causes that can be hazard for you, like sockets and wires and everything. You should make clear that you are using a perfect wire to a perfect socket. Learn before you are using that device, like how many volts it will require to put that in. And when it can be overdose like that. Or means like putting another wire, like having extra voltage like that. It can be a main problem that can cause for a short circuit like that. These are the things that I want to explain about this ESG and of avoiding the risk while working with these things. And thank you. As I said earlier, that you should stand on a flat surface, and your PC should kept on the table. And you should put your strap to your hand, and you should connect this plug to here to the CPU. And your anti-static mat cable was put here and here. As you can see, this is motherboard, and these are the PCI slots, and this is a power supply that transfers power power to ROM and C drives and etc. processor. Here is a fan that consists of processor consists of this fan, because to send the heat through heat sinks and heat sink, and it will pull out the heat. And there is another fan. This removes the heat from the CPU. And these are the RAM chips. We can pull this one, and we can take this one outside, and we can put this slot again itself as taken outside. And just press this button, and this is the ROM hard disk and ROM read-only memory. And this is the SATA cable that transfers data from hard ROM to motherboard, and these are the power cables, and this is the audio and video ports here, and this is the CD drive, and uh, that's it. Hope these are the components. I explained everything. These are the components in CPU, and these are cables that supply the power supply from power supply to everything. These are the measurements that you can take while you are working on a PC. So thank you.